clutching. 5 shooters in my car and everybody bustin'. Switch go, Drake go, that big fire around my neck and it go burr.
Cook Jack, this is the next day. Forgot to make an intro yesterday. We went to 1942 Cantina for this meet. I'm gonna put the flyer on the screen, but yeah. Next day on the side of the road, my dumb man ran out of fuel. I'm gonna just sit here and edit the video while I wait on my folks to get here.
We out in that jab. We out in that hard today. What you talking about? Hey, that's that bullshit though. Don't get that. That's that bullshit. Remember the one I had, twin? You remember the 4-door I had? Yeah. We need to bring that hoe back. Woo. Damn. God. Damn. What that boy got on that bitch? What the fuck is these? That boy got 26s on that hoe. God damn. That boy cut that bitch. That nigga don't give a fuck. Damn. Get my shit back to him. What you think? Them boy going stupid over there. Shit. Oh yeah. Boy got that 5-0 out there, bitch. That bitch over there mean that blue one. God damn. Doing focus one. They got that hog out there, bitch. That geek shit to him. God damn! I got that hard. Oh, shit. I got that geek shit. God. It whole fight. That's what I wanted to do to the truck, the blue one. Oh shit. That shit hard as fuck. I gotta do that to my shit. Got no choice. I gotta put these badges on my shit. Damn. I know they be loud. That shit look like a beast, bro. They whole clean though.
Get in my car. Maybe you and this bitch with a star. Maybe you and this bitch with a woman.
Get shit, twin. That bitch loud as fuck. Oh my god.
Open that bitch.
You know what I'm saying? He ain't bought that bitch.
Open that bitch. That's not cool. Oh!
My nigga hurting too. That shit cooling, twin. You good? It's just a hose.
Bro, be careful, bro. That shit gonna rip.
See, I should have brought my shit. Before y'all came in. Before y'all came in. Huh? The bitch at? Spin that bitch, man.
And flip that bitch over tonight. Fuck it. Flip that hoe.
We gonna break off.
Flip that hoe, twin.
Let's do it.
For the vlog.
Let's do it.
Oh.
Y'all, you gonna let me the gracious?
Let's do it, twin. Let me get that. Shit. It was. That was fast, one.
Don't get my cook.
Ready to bit? Oh shit. It's all good though. Damn. That boy see that. You in that geek shit though. Oh shit. Hey, wait, take that heat up. Ah! Damn, twin. We cook chat.
That bitch shopping?
What? The truck? Yeah. I've been talking about something. Try to bring out what's the real Carmen shit, but you know, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's some more back there. That mean what? That shit boosted. Oh shit.
Voy a dejar en mis funerales todos los gastos pagados. Es más que toque una banda. Yo vuelvo junto cuando ya me esté pelando. Que se oiga muy fuerte el corrido de mi último contrabando. Adornen mi tumba entera con goma y ramas de mota. Y quiero, si se pudiera,
Foot on their neck, understand me. Take your shoestring, that ain't good for these people not ready for you. And the niggas that was dropping down on you, that was lying you broke. I heard female had to take over.
Damn, they got a GTR out there, bitch.
Had to take over. You bitches better get ready. Y'all counted us out. Come on now. While we was counting down. Whoever was gay. I'm talking about whoever was gay. Real big bitch.
listen, nigga, hey, FDO, first day out, bitch, fuck the bed, walked out the jail, I saw 6 phones. I just got out the bunk bed, 3 million cash, can't fit in my head, do system on my head. They couldn't put that pussy on me, bitch, fresh out the bed. I say fresh one out the bed, baby, come put that pussy on me. Fuck in the strip club, right now, I wanna start throwing hoodies, nigga, I came from a shit to home. Mr. Goldman, I can't just
Yeah, we said.
It sound like a go-kart.
He said stop revving up those little ass engines. That nigga said they sound like a go-kart. Ain't no way. What the fuck? That nigga out here trolling.
You got a video?
Huh?
You got a video?
Yeah, I gotta show a video to him. The boy said stop revving that little ass motor. Yeah, them hogs out there bit too.
Like 3 miles away, he came out
God
I
damn.
ain't choose to rap, it told me my name out too much weight. Type of influence I got where I'm from, got your God and told the Drake. When you meet me, you gon' get real motivated. Same day, don't try to play it out, go get
Play that bit, twin. Twin, right, bye. You know what I'm saying? We at the bit. We out here. Oh, God damn. Tweaking. We out there bit. 1942 Cantina. Fuck you talking about? Oh, they got that geek shit right there.
My baby shooter, baby ski, cause he don't got no face. Lil' Fine say he used to crawl, but now he
Tell her,
on
twin.
a job. And that op bitch, she eat my dick like he on a car. And Journey boy, he selling dog, but I got blow like George. Nigga thought he had a plug till I come cut the cord. And I use this cyber truck, striker like I'm on the cord. And she want me to drive the
don't fuck with no fan, man. No, if I better niggas skate. We pop out, don't leave no witness. I'm from Rock, shout out with the Drake. For the game, man, with the guy that said the doctor.
12 ride by, everybody clutching. 5 shooters in my car and everybody busting. Switch go, Drake go, that big fire around